You're right. I'm going in.
Hey, buddy, remember, crazy eyes.
Crazy eyes.
And the sand.
I didn't bring any sand.
Nah, I put some in your pocket while you were praying. It's a fine igneous. Really stings the cornea.
Yeah. Hey, remember me?
Oh, yeah, I remember you. You got 5 seconds to get out of here.
Oh, I'm not going anywhere. You know why? Because we got a problem. Yeah, you want some of this? Because this is what you're gonna get.
What the hell is wrong with your eyes?
My eyes are crazy, just like I am.
Well, they're about to get black and blue.
Well, you leave me no choice. Death Storm!
Did you just throw change at me?
Wrong pocket.
Buddy, you're gonna get it. I mean, you're gonna...
Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you choking? Oh, here. You okay?
Oh, thanks, buddy. You saved my life.
You're welcome. I want my flippers back, you son of a bitch!
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Oh, you want some more? You want some more of this?
No, I'm done. Holy... Stuart, you did it! You saved his life and you kicked his ass.
Yeah, I guess.